Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium. This is a daily close. Let's check up on the price and analyze what we might expect next. So starting with the gold on the 1 hour chart here, we were expecting anyway this push toward the upside. A bull run here, breakout is given again. As you mentioned, this area is a confirmation for something bullish. It has been already taken. Despite that we saw a move toward the downside, this decisive move breaking it again, that is a confirmation that we're pushing toward the upside, guys. Currently, on the 15-minute chart, we are looking for this wave 3 still to be finished inside this blue box as expected there. Now you can count this kind of like, I mean, I know that it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, kind of like an impulse, but don't forget that this wave 3 here is only 1 to 1 Fibonacci level, which is, yeah, very far probability. Minimum target for wave 3 should be, of course, a 1.27 here. We are talking about 1, 2, 3, and then I might expect still, of course, a wave 4 and a 5. By all means, this is kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, and then wave 4 and a wave 5 to be taken next. So I believe that this wave 3 is very close to be finished and done. We have already here also a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If the wave 5 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, this is the last move here for this wave 3. Of course, one more high. Now it can be extended or it can be short, nobody knows, but I believe that the 1.618 can be very close, and we might finish this wave 3 impulse over there. By taking also, by the way, here the high in case we hit the 1.618. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is unfolding here, especially that you are in a diagonal there as a wave A, wave B, and we're looking for a wave C towards the upside, guys. This will play only as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation. Simply for a wave C, target is still the same, $5,500. Nothing has changed, nothing yet is bearish, nothing yet is showing weakness. That was it for the gold. For the silver, we are in the same thing here as expected, the 2.618, as I mentioned in the daily today, after a diagonal, and we have a wave A, wave B very likely, just by taking the 0.23, signaling a wave B and not a wave 2, because the wave 2 requires at least the 0.38 Fibonacci level, and this was not given. Therefore, wave C as a zigzag is unfolding massively here. For the silver as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a 4, and a 5 to finish up our impulse as well. Very close to the 2.618 as expected. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna give, yes, this is a wave 3, this is your wave 4 here, and very likely that we might finish here a wave 5 also. Yeah, it's a little bit hard decision. Let me check the micro level, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow. Okay, 1, 2, and then wave 3, yes, 4, and a 5. Now, I have no other choice. It is like that. So the count, the right count is like this, guys. So this is a wave 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 3 is very, very intense, and we got, of course, a 2.618. So yes, we might expect a 4 and a 5 next to unfold here for the silver. Very, very interesting. So I would say, yeah, the high is taken, confirmed. We're looking for higher. The target here for this zigzag is the 1 to 1 fib level. For a wave C, $92 is very, very expected here to push toward the upside, guys. So we'll see which one is going to be taken. But I think this is the highest probability, of course, for the silver. That is, I doubt that the wave 2 there, we didn't took the 0.38, and that is no currently, I mean, even invalidation of bearish is taken, guys. Yeah, so even this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, it's done. We're done. No bearish anymore. So yeah, very likely that we are looking for higher. I'm gonna remove all of this, and we might be looking here for actually the 2.618 still to be hit. All right, guys. So that was it for the silver. Nothing to add, honestly. It's it's working perfectly as expected, guys. So I'm just gonna clean up here and just make sure that you receive the target. so far for this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So the wave 1 here, yes. Something, okay, no, there is no 1, ABC, this 1, 2, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 1 is over here. All right, so that was it for the silver. For palladium, we are looking as well for something to push for higher again as bullish. That's nice to see again after, of course, some red in the intraday. But I mentioned because this is a wave 2, very likely because we have finished an impulse as a 1-2, and we might continue simply toward the upside. So far, everything is still looking perfect. I would say this has finished as, obviously, as a 3 waves corrective. And we have a wave 2 here, and we start to push again toward the upside impulsively, or I would say in a motive wave. 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 leading diagonal, 1, 2, and then pushing continuation toward the upside, guys. I'm looking here for something really higher, not just the 1-to-1. This scenario is out. I would say we are here in a potential 1-2, 1-2, and then 3, 4, 5. It can be even the A, B, and a C there playing, but yeah, you need, I mean, for this, you need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the wave C might be the same target here. And reaching the 1.618 in case an extended YC, but I doubt it. I think we are very bullish here, especially after a very long correction here. It is time to push toward the upside, guys. Yeah, and very likely a new high might be over there for waiting for a wave 3 or a wave C. We'll see which one, guys, is going to be. That was it for the precious metals. Very green, very bullish, but don't forget that everything has a limit. So the impulse is very close to be finished in the gold and the silver, and they might have a correction anyway, and then we continue again towards the upside sooner or later. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.